Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can craft the penguin stove in Heartopia. So the penguin stove is your ultimate winter accessory for your Heartopia home, and in today's video I'm going to show you the materials and how you can craft it. So first, before you can create the stove, first you need to earn the materials and also the recipe, and here I'm going to show you. First you can just go to your workbench and then scroll down until you spot the penguin stove, and this is the materials that you need. First, stone, quality timber, and also the penguin material pack. Okay, so once you've gathered all the materials, the stone you can get by using your axe, and here the quality timber you can also chop some trees, and this one you can get it by doing some tasks or quests. Now you can just choose to click on this button, craft, and just wait until your penguin stove is done. And this is it. This is my penguin stove. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.